Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to our kitchen. We are all set up for fall. Never too early for fall because it's gonna be fall, y'all, and we're blessed. So today we are gonna make some Cajun garlic lemon kissed chicken, broccoli, and mushrooms. So the first thing you're gonna need is to preheat that oven to 375 so that we can get this cooking. And bam! We're gonna need 1.5 pounds of chicken breast or chicken thighs cut in half. And to season this chicken right on top, we're gonna need 1.5 tablespoons of the Cajun seasoning, which we got right here. We're gonna need a teaspoon of the smoked paprika, a half a teaspoon of the red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of oregano. And then of course we're gonna go ahead and add some salt and pepper. So to save some time, I have that all pre-portioned out. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna stir this together a little bit here so that we get everything all mixed in and even on each piece of chicken. Alrighty, so that's all mixed together and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top of each of these chicken pieces that we have down in here. And you can grease this pan if you want to, but I don't find that it's necessary. It's not going to stick. There's going to be lots of liquid in here. So there we have that. Of course, I have to give a little shout out to these little cruets. They are, or ramekins, whatever you want to call them. They are a Paris Hilton. They're stoneware, oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, of course made in China, but they are cute as heck. They are pink and I love them. We're gonna go in with some salt and pepper. Just a little bit of salt there. And I'm gonna go light on the pepper because we do have the smoked paprika, we have the Cajun, and we have the red pepper. So if somebody wants to add some more heat, they can, but pepper does give it just another different flavor. Now we're gonna need 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, which I already have sliced up here. So we're just gonna place them right on around this chicken. And then to save some time, I already have my fresh garlic all chopped up. I've used 5 cloves of garlic. I left them in the bigger slices, as you can see. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle that right on top as well. Now we're gonna add in 3/4 cup of white wine, your preference of what you want. We're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter, which I got melted right there. So we're just gonna pour that right on over the top as well. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to give that zesty garlic lemon flavor. 3/4 cup of chicken stock right on top. Now this will make some of its own juices, and I make my own chicken stock. I use it out of water and chicken base. I prefer that over the canned stuff. I don't know why, but I do. You can add other things to this. This is the main recipe. You can add onions, you can add peppers, you can add tomatoes. We are gonna put some broccoli in it, but we're gonna wait till the end. I've decided I'm actually gonna add some fresh tomatoes this time, so let's get these cut up. All right, folks, so we got those diced up just as if you would get them out of a can of diced tomatoes. We're just gonna add them right in on top here. Obviously, fresh is better than canned. Last ingredient is about 3 tablespoons of, I'm gonna use rosemary oil. You can use regular oil, garlic oil, basil oil, whatever oil suits your fancy, but about 3 tablespoons. We're gonna pop that lid on this. We're gonna put it in the oven at 375, which we already have preset for 25 to 30 minutes. You can actually reduce it down after that and just let it cook real low. That way the chicken like falls apart and it'll be nice and tender. And moist, that's very important. So let's put this on in here. Just slide that right into that preheated oven and there we go. Man, Look at that. Tomatoes, mushrooms, chicken. Look at that. Chicken, mushrooms, tomatoes, broccoli. Yum. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the comments and notifications. Thanks for watching.